Hi guys, so this is a new video, another makeup look. This is a little bit different than my last one because it's going to be about this sweatshirt that I'm wearing. And if you guys don't know, it's the You Matter sweatshirt by Demetrius Harmon. And I found him on Twitter a long time ago, and I've been following him for a few years with all of his skits and everything. And he's a big like mental health activist person. He makes like these sweatshirts that say like You Matter on the front of it, and then on the sleeves it says I feel weak but I know I'm strong. And I think that's a super awesome idea. I think that's a great thing, and he just does great things, and he makes people feel loved and just all of that and everything. So basically I ordered this for the Cinco de Mayo. It's the green one, and if you can tell, it was green. And then on the front it says, please never forget that you matter. Wear this hoodie when you doubt your strength, when you want to give up, when you need a hug, when you need reassurance. As long as you have me in this hoodie, you're never alone. Love, Demetrius Harmon. And he's out of Detroit, and I think that's awesome because I'm from Michigan, and it's just nice knowing that someone from your state is like doing big things and doing great things. So all of that aside, I'm gonna put his socials and everything in the description box so you guys can check out his page because it's awesome. But this is what I'm gonna do today. So the sweatshirt really inspired me to do a makeup look. We're just gonna be doing a green eye look and everything, of course, thanks to my beautiful app on Pinterest. We're gonna be doing some green eye looks. I will put one specific picture that really like inspired like my hair and everything, and then kind of brought me into all the green looks. Her name is Almay with 4 E's on Instagram, but she is awesome, super talented, and I found one of her pictures on Instagram. So I really want to do a green look to match my hoodie. I'm super excited. I have been planning this video since I ordered my sweatshirt, and it's been about a month. Yeah, let's just get going. I'll tell you guys all of the colors and everything going on, and yeah, we're just gonna get doing this. Okay, now that my brows are done, I'm going to be going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and also surprise my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. So now we just gotta put down the base. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and then setting it with just a loose powder. What we're first going to be going in with is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going in with this green shade with my e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blender brush. Now that we're done with the transition shade and everything, I'm going to go in with this lighter green down here, with the same brush that we were using the transition shade, and I'm just going to tap off everything and lightly put it over the top of the transition shade just to kind of soften up the crease. Okay, after we do all of that, we're going to go in, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer again and cut crease the whole eye, and then just kind of, we're going to go through and just kind of drag it out right here with that. Okay, now that we have the cut crease and everything all set, we're going to go in with the Morphe palette, and I'll put the shade name right here, but we're going to go in with this sparkly shade right there. I'm going to go in with just a finger. I think I'm feeling about putting it on the center of the lid, and then putting mats around it. That's what I'm feeling. I think we're going to do it, so let's do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, now that we have the shimmer on, we're going to go in with just a flat brush, and I'm going to take a mixture between these two shades Okay, after that, now we're going to dip back into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to dip into this color right here next to the green that we used in our transition shade. And now for the next shade, we're going to be going back into the Morphe palette and taking probably these two, just to deepen up the outer corner a little bit because I want it a little bit darker. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go in and finish the rest of my face and clean up the outer corners a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, so here's the rest of the face. I really want to deepen up the lower lash line, so I decided to pick up, I'm so sorry, it's another palette, but my Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just going to take the shade Destiny right here and smoke that out on the bottom just to kind of match it up with the bottom, because I want the eyes to really look, I just want them a little bit darker because my sweatshirt's dark and I don't want them to be super bright, so yeah. And then to kind of like add some of the color that we have on top to the bottom, just so you don't look like you have bags under your eyes, I'm going to take that transition shade that we used earlier, just that green right there, and just kind of buff out the lower lash line with it, so yeah. So I really want kind of a blinding highlight in the inner corner just to like brighten up the eyes and everything. So I'm going to take my finger and my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Shadow in Flexitarian and just go in like that. Okay, so now I just have to go pop on some lashes and mascara and I'll be right back.
Vanilla, chocolate, or the flavor of the day. It's all made fresh.
Okay, lashes and mascara are done, and we just have to do lips now. I don't have a green lipstick, so we're just going to go in with a nice glossy and a lip liner because we've got a lot going on here, and I just want to kind of finish it off a little simply. So I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Rain. And then the OGs, of course, back when everything, I don't even know, back when I was like really little and these were what you got for free. It's Victoria's Secret flavored gloss in cotton candy. So we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I have never done a green look before, so this is my first green look, and I think it did a pretty good job. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will definitely leave all the links and everything to Demetrius' channel and all of that, all of his socials and everything, because I think you guys really need to check out his channel and support him because he's doing something amazing and he's a great person, he's funny, and he just seems awesome. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave my Instagram and my Twitter around here. If you guys want to see more looks like this, just hit the subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I try my best to, at least when work doesn't get in the way. So yeah, thanks guys, bye.